It's a separate water-sucking device that doesn't need to be built in a special way. The main part of the firefighting plane is one that can take up to 11,000 liters of water and put it in a rather large aircraft cabin, and then put a 60 centimeter high-pressure nozzle outside the aircraft to connect the nozzle directly to the cabin through the holes in the fuselage. In this way, an ordinary transport plane can be turned into a water-sucking plane without extra maintenance. Within 10 seconds, 11,000 liters of water can be emptied and the damage is effectively destroyed. In addition, what is different from the traditional firefighting plane is that the firefighting plane cannot carry water. You have to find a lake or a reservoir and rely on the water-sucking plane to fill the water into the fuselage, and the water-sucking plane can fill the plane with water before takeoff. No need to look for extra water and fly directly to the site of the fire. The fire extinguishing efficiency is higher. How about this? Isn't it amazing?